I'm going to show you how to re-authenticate in Parsec, or basically just refresh your login or session. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Parsec and then go to settings. And from here, you want to click on account. And for all the versions, you should find the logout button there. Now for the new versions, you can click on the button here, which says logout, and then just click on logout. Now you will need to close Parsec, open up the task menu from here, or the taskbar, right click on Parsec and quit. And then you will need to open up Parsec again. Now all you need to do is log in back to your account by typing your email and password. And before being able to log in again, you might need to basically confirm the sign in if you receive an email to your email address. Once you click on it, it should confirm the login and then press the login button again. And you should be signed in back to your account. And now you should have a fresh session. And that's how you re-authenticate. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.